So hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Vtells. So for today's video, we're going to unbox this Inssakit Spring Edition Volume 1 from Yesstyle. So let's start! Multi-protein savory dried Polak spicy flavor. So it is something like chip. Yeah, so if you're going on a diet and you want to eat chips wherein you're guilt-free, this is best for you. Next item is the Boys with Love contact lens case. So it is inspired by BTS. This is how it looks like. So it has this random BTS Polaroid. So it is best for those BTS fans out there. Yeah. Ta-da! It is a contact lens case with this. Although I'm not fan of contact lenses. So for those who are not fan of contact lenses, you can use this case as a storage of those Polaroids you have there. So the next one is the Peach Sea Easy Matte Lipstick in the shade of Spring Coral. So let's open it. What I love about this product is its packaging because I like pastel colors, and its shades look like this. I'm using it now. Its case is also magnetic. You can hear it. Then the next one is the Gulba Mask, which is made of banana and honey. So it is consists of a set of 5. But what I'm gonna show you is the remaining 4 because I've used the one yesterday. So this mask is good for soothing your skin because as we all know, banana and honey are good for skin revitalizing, and it also has that nourishing effect on our skin. Then another BTS inspired product is here. So the BTS Stay It Twin Eyeshadow in the shade of number 3 Pink Beige. So as what is said in the box, it is a dual or a twin eyeshadow. So it is consists of 2 colors. One looks like gold and the other one looks like pink. So this is how it looks like. I hope you can see it. There it is. Then the pink one. Yeah, looks like that. So I've tried this once because I'm not into eyeshadows lately because I don't know how to apply it. Then the next one is the Vivid Studio Cheek Flash Highlighter in the shade of number 3 Gold Plate. So what I love about this product is its packaging also because yeah, it looks so luxurious. Doesn't look cheap. Yeah. And look at this. And for the quality, it is also good because it is blendable. And it is lightweight also. Then let's go to my favorite product for this box. It is the Snail True Sika Miracle Repair Starter Kit. So it is from Some By Me. Actually, I'm an avid fan of Some By Me, although yeah, I've seen their products on Instagram and I was captivated by all of it. But I think this is the best one because it's made out of snail. Yeah. So this kit includes a cleanser, a gel cleanser actually. Then the repair toner, then the repair serum and the repair cream. So what I love about these products is it is really absorbent. It was easily absorbed by my skin whenever I'm using it, and it dries instantly after applying. So it's a 10 out of 10 for these products. And we're done for the items for skincare and cosmetics. So now let's move on to the cute items inside this box. So it has this Sleep Shade Little Friends. Yeah, it's Little A Peach. So I find this cute and somewhat useful because lately I'm having a hard time sleeping. So I think it's perfect. Yeah. Another sleeping buddy. Then it also includes this Easy Hair Dry Brush. Actually, at first, I don't know how to use it, but I finally discovered how to use it properly. And the last item for this box is this tote bag. So, it's the Esther Loves You tote bag. So, as you can see, it's quite big. That you can use for shopping. Ayan. And what I like about this, it is its color. It's color pink. So yeah, I really love this. So that's the end of our video. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and comment down below about your reaction about these products from Yesstyle. So if you want to avail this product, you can check yesstyle.com or the Yesstyle app as well. And I will be putting the reward link on the description box, so better check it out for your discount. Bye!